Hello, everyone. A very good evening to all of you. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. I am Trupti, and let's start with our Navodaya evening coaching class. So, here we go. I hope you are able to see my screen. So, today we are going to focus on the LCM and HCF, but by division method. Today we are going to learn the division method. So, let's find out the LCM of numbers by long division method first. So here we have 6 and 8. Let's see how to find the LCM of 6 and 8. Okay, 6 here, 8 here. We will take the smallest prime number, which, by which you can divide these two numbers. So I know the smallest prime number here is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, now here, moving on, 3 and 4. I'll take another smallest prime number which is divisible, like which by which you can divide 4 and 3. If I take 2, 3 can't be divided. And if I take 4, yes, like 4, if I talk about 4, yes, 4 can be divided by 2. So I'll carry forward. 3 is not divisible. I'll write 3 as it is. 4 is divisible. Yeah, I'll write 2 here. I'll stop when I'll get 1. Okay, so here it's 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, now again I'll take 2. 3 is not divisible. I'll write it like that only. 2 times 1 is 2. Now 3. 3 times 1 is 3. So if I talk about the LCM of 6 and 8, sorry. So LCM of 6 and 8 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. So I can say that the LCM, least common multiple of 6 and 8 is 24. Okay? 24 is the LCM of 6 and 8, the least common multiple. I hope it's clear to you. I want you to do this. Children, we are live on YouTube. Kindly make sure you are writing the answers in the chat. Or if you have any questions, please ask me in the chat, the live chat option. Okay. Please share this video with your friends so that they can also take benefit from these free coaching classes. Yeah. LCM of 4 and 10. Okay. So I hope it's done by now. Okay. So here, what we will do is 4 and 10. 4 here, 10 here. Okay. So 2 times 2 is 4. I'll take the smallest prime number, and 2 times 5 is 10. Yeah. 2 times 1 is 2 and 5 as it is. And here 5 times 1 is 5. So here the LCM is 2 times 2 times 5. Okay. So 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. That means the LCM, least common multiple of 4 and 10, is 20. Yeah, that's how you have to do it. Okay, Let's do the LCM of three digits, okay, which is 6, 8, and 10. In the same way, you have to take the least prime number, the smallest prime number, which can be divisible. So here I can see, like I know that 6, 8, and 10 all are divisible by 2. Okay. So 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times 5 is 10. Okay. Again, I know that 3 and 5 is not divisible by 2, but 4 is divisible by 2. So I will repeat here. 3 as it is, 2 times 2 is 4, 5 here. I know 2 will be divisible again, like 2 times 1 is 2. Sorry, over here, I'll just put 3. Hold on. Okay, so over here, 3 as it is, 5 as it is. All right. Over here, 3 times 1, 1 here, 5 here. And lastly, 5. Right, like this. Okay, so that's how you have to do it. Understood? Okay, so let's see what is the LCM. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Yeah, so here 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. So I'll make pairs here. What I'll do to make the calculation easy, I'll make it in pairs. Okay. So like here, 2 times 5 is 10. Okay. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Yeah. So I have got 12 times 10, which is equal to 120. That means the LCM of 6, 8, and 10 is equal to 120. Okay. 4, 5, and 10. 4, 5, and 10. LCM of 4, 5, and 10. Children, if you have any doubts, any queries, let me know. I can see some of you are responding in the live chat. I'm so happy to see that. Got the answer already. Good, good. Let's check whether it's right or not. So first I'll take 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 5 is not divisible by 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Again, I'll take 2 because I know 2 is divisible by 2. 5 is not, and 5 is not, so I will write the exact same number. Next is, I know that the next prime number that is divisible by 5, like, is 5 only. Okay, so here I can say that LCM of 4, 5, and 10 is equal to 2 times 2 times 5. 2 times 2 times 5. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 is the answer. And yes, your answer is correct. Who's that? Bindu. Your answer is correct. Good job. Keep doing like this. Keep answering the questions. 4, 15, and 10. 4, 15, and 10. 4, 15, 10. What is the LCM of 4, 15, and 10? Okay, so here 2 times, I know that first I have to divide by, like, I will take 2 as the least prime number because 4 is divisible by 2 and 10 is also divisible by 2. 2 times 2 is 4, 15 right there. 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, then here 2 times 1 is 2, 15 there, 5 like that. Okay, now 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 5 is 15, and 5 there. And now 5 times 1 is 5. Let's see what is the LCM of 4, 15, and 10. Over here, 2 times 3 times 5. Okay, so 2 times 5 is 10, 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 10 is 60. 60 is the LCM. 60 is the LCM of 4, 15, and 10. LCM of 4, 15, and 10. Mm. Okay, let's go to the next question. 6, 15, and 8. I want you to find the LCM of 6, 15, and 8. 6, 15, and 8. Come on. Yeah, Bindu, that's correct. I'm waiting for your answer. Okay, let's see how to do it. 2, because 6 is divisible by 2, 8 is divisible by 2. 2 times 3 is 6, 15 is not, so I'll write 15 like that only. 2 times 4 is 8. Then again 2, because I know 4 is divisible by 2. 3 and 15 will be like that only. Again, I will take 2 because 2 times 1 is 2. Now next is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 5 is 15. And lastly, 5. 5 times 1 is 5. So LCM is 2, how many times? 3 times 2, 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. So what's the answer? So here again you can make pairs. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Okay. What did I do? 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 10 is 120. That means LCM of 6, 15, and 8 is 120. Okay? 120. Next one, 16 and 12. Find the LCM of 16 and 12. 16 and 12. Again, two digits only. 16, 12. So here it's like 2 first. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 6 is 12. Then 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 as it is. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 over there. And 3 times 1 is 3. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay. And 2 times 3 is 6. You can do it in parts also, like 8 times 2 is 16, then 16 times 3. Instead of that, you can do like 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and then 2 times 3 is 6. 8 6 are 48. 48 is the answer. The LCM of 16 and 12 is 48. 48. Yeah. LCM of 8, 10, and 6. 8, 10, and 6. Do it, children, because after this, we are going to do the HCF. 8, 10, and 6. Okay, so 2 times 4 is 8. Yeah, 1 second. All right, let's do it. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. And 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, again, 2 times 2 is 4. 5 as it is. 3 as it is. 2 times 1 is 2. 5 there, 3 there. 3, next prime number is 3, not 5. So I will take 3 first. 3 times 1 is 3 and 5 times 1 is 5. Let's find out the LCM. It's 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. So 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Again, 12 times 10 is 120. The answer is 120. 120 is the LCM of 8, 10, and 6. Now, children, we will, yeah, very good, very good. And I can see Some of the students are constantly like they are giving the answers, they are paying attention. I'm so happy with your performance. Please share it with your friends also so that they can also take benefit from these sessions. Now let's find out the HCF of numbers by division method. This is HCF. How do we find HCF? Let's see. 6, 8. Take the bigger number as the dividend and smaller as the divisor. Okay? Bigger as the dividend and smaller as the divisor. Let's divide it normally. 6 times 1 is 6. Okay? 6 times 1 is 6. Now I have got what I have got as a remainder. I have got 2 as the remainder. Now this remainder will become the divisor and this divisor will become the dividend. I repeat, the remainder will become the divisor and the divisor which was earlier there will become the dividend. Now divide normally. 2 times 3 is 6. 0. When you get 0 as the remainder, just stop. But then what will be the HCF? The HCF will be the last divisor. The last divisor is the HCF. So we can say the HCF of 6 and 8 is 2. HCF of 6 and 8 is 2. Okay? HCF of 6 and 8 is 2. Right? Okay. Now let's do a few more. Okay, perfect. Over here, the next one. I repeat, keep the bigger number as the dividend. Like 10 is bigger than 4. So 10 is the dividend, 4 is the divisor. Let's divide it normally like we do. 4 times 2, I'll write 2 here, okay? Either I can write it here is 8 or I can write here. 4 times 2 is 8 or 4 times 2. Either place is correct. Subtract. 10 minus 8 is 2. This remainder 2 will become the divisor and the divisor which was there earlier, which is 4, will become the dividend now. 2 times 2 is 4. What is the HCF? HCF is the last divisor that you have got. So this is the HCF of 4 and 10. Okay? HCF of 4 and 10. Is that clear? If you have any doubts, please let me know. Let's practice more of this. HCF of 6 and 10. This is the division method. What is the HCF of 6 and 10? HCF of 6 and 10. Come on, let's do it. Okay, so HCF of 6 and 10, keeping the bigger number, like making the bigger number as the dividend and the smaller number as the divisor. Okay, so here 6 times 2, sorry, wait. Here 6 times 1 is 6. I got the remainder as 4. Keeping this 4 and making this 4 as the divisor and this 6 which was there will be the dividend. All right. So here we go. 4 times, like 6 here, 4 times 1 is 4. I got the remainder 2. Now making this dividend, this remainder as the divisor, and the dividend will be the previous divisor. 2 times 2 is 4. So what is my HCF? My HCF is the last divisor that I have got, which is 2. HCF is the last divisor that I have got, that is 2. Okay? You have to keep on going until and unless you get 0 as the remainder. And when you get 0 as the remainder, see what was the last divisor, and that is your HCF. Okay? That's how you do it. Let's go to the next one and see HCF of 8 and 10. We did 6 and 10. Now it's 8 and 10. Please do it, children. Eight and 10. Sorry, 1 second. Okay, so let's see how to do it. Uh, yeah, it was 8 and 10, right? So 10 as the dividend, 8 as the divisor. Yeah, so 8 times 1 is 8, 2 as the remainder, which will become the divisor, and 8 will become the dividend. 2 times 4 is 8. I got the remainder as 0. That means the last divisor is my HCF. Yeah. Next one, 10 and 20. The HCF of 10 and 20. Very easy. HCF of 10 and 20. Let's do this. Because 20 is greater than 10, so 20 will be the dividend and 10 will be the divisor. 10 times 2 is 20. And we got 0 right here. The remainder is 0 over here. That means 10 is the HCF of 10 and 20. The HCF of 10 and 20 is 10 only. Okay, because I got remainder here only. No need to make the other number as a divisor and all. It's going to be like that. Okay. All right. Let's do the next one. 16 and 24. You know that 16 will be the 16 is a smaller number, smaller than 24. So 16 will be the divisor. 24 will be the dividend. So 16 times 1 is 16. Let me subtract. 4 will become 14. 2 will become 1. 14 minus 6 is 8. Now 8 is the remainder, but it will become the divisor now, and 16 is the dividend. So 8 times 2 is 16. Here we got 8 as the HCF of 16 and 24. Highest common factor of 16 and 24. Easy? I hope you're finding it easy. Very good, Bindu. You're doing a great job responding to every question. I'm so happy. It feels so good to see you all doing the things. Like when I do it, you do it with me. It feels so great. Let's do next question. 30 and 36. 36 be the dividend here, and 30 is the divisor because 30 is smaller than 36. So here, 30 times 1 is 30. Okay. Remainder is 6. Yeah. Remainder is 6. Now this 6 will become the divisor, and this divisor will become the dividend. 6 times 5 is 30. Subtract 0, 0. That means the HCF of 30 and 36 is 6. The highest common factor of 30 and 36 is 6. Okay. Yeah. So with this, children, we are done with our today's session. Thank you so much for joining the class. I hope you understood the concept. If you still have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section and in the live chat option that you have. And once again, I would like to say, like, the thing that I always say is keep practicing, because practice will make you perfect. And if you have any doubts, any query related to the topic, there is a comment section. This is for the ones who will watch this video later on. There is a comment section. You can message in that, so that I'll be happy to solve your doubts. Thanks once again. I'll see you super soon in the next class. By the time, take care and have fun. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.